So here is Hula app Pro subscription. So I upgraded to Pro subscription. So here you can see it. So it's $9.99 per week. You can try it. There is no free trial. There is no limited free version. And now you have these limits. So with the Pro subscription, you don't have unlimited creations of the videos and photos. You still have limits. And you can see here that even with a Pro subscription, weekly subscription, you have these weekly limits: one AI video, one sticker pack, one image pack, and 30 photo restyles. So every limit will reset automatically. In the interim, make sure you are taking full advantage of Hula Pro benefits. Unlock extra AI magic anytime. So this is what you're having in here. You can create stickers packs, you can have creations, and yeah, so let me just show you all about it. So Hula app is super cool AI video generation app. The cool thing about this is not like specifically AI photos. This is AI video. So short AI video clips. You can call them GIFs on all recent trending filters. So if something is trending on TikTok or somewhere, this probably will be in Hula app super fast. So this is a really well-made app. I highly recommend it. As you can see it in top charts. And again, the focus is on these short AI videos. So if you're looking to generate AI selfies, AI photos, this is probably not the best app. But if you want to create moving AI selfies and moving GIFs, this is the best app right now, I think. So let's try to create AI video. You can turn any photo to video, create your own AI video. Camera motion, you can try to zoom in. So now I just selected some template photo I had. And now it just says video is on the way. Check your profile for result in 5 minutes. Feel free to lock your device or close the app. Deleting app removes unsaved videos. So now you just have it here and you need to check your profile for results, and it just says generating. So let's check how much time will it take for the video to be generated. And yeah, so now it's just taking some time. The cool thing about this app is again that you can also generate stickers. So you can create image packs, you can create sticker packs, you can use photo styles. So if you want, there are these sticker packs where you can then just create the stickers. So for example, that's where you have it. So for example, you want to create anime sticker, you can do that. And then you can see which photos you need to get. So for example, this can be the photo, and then it just creates sticker pack for you. So that's really cool. And then you can see that, yeah, sticker packs, that's what it is. Then there are image packs, which you can try. All these AI packs, which you can, for example, there are different styles. Like limousine, 6 photos, cinematic, private jet, like if you want to create this kind of photos. And as you can see, the model here is quite good. I don't know which AI model they are using, but it's super realistic and super nice. And yeah, city, glam, estate, honey, yearbook. So all things about it, which you just have in here. So all right, so let's try this out, and let's again upload the photo, and then it will take some time as well. So all of it I'm doing just under one subscription. So as you can see, it's quite a lot. And then I also have photo restyles. So if I want to, for example, restyle one photo, and then I just need to select, canvas size, and then just apply to it, and then generating, and then it just says, all right, so about 50 seconds left, and then you will be able to export that. So that's just what you're getting. So this is how the result looks like. You can then generate +1, and then you can also adjust it. There are also some of the alternative photos. I think it looks actually quite cool. So you can like it, then you can just export it. You can include or disable watermark. You can export sticker. You can export collage. You can export slide. You can export like a flash. So all kind of things you can just have. So here now you also have results. So you have now you have this photo which is saved, creating sticker pack in progress, creating in progress AI content, and then creating video is also in progress. So yeah, it really takes some time, as you can see, but photo restyles, this is quite a good price. So you get in 30 photos for $10 per week. If you want to get extra, then you can just tap in here and get additional 2 packs for $4, additional 5 packs for $6, additional sticker packs, you can also get them. So yeah, that's basically the idea in here. So still it's kind of generating in here. So as you can see, finally it's kind of ready. So the video seems to be ready, and then you can see stickers. So these are like anime stickers. You can enable them with animation or without. Pretty cool. You can save, share, or delete. You can save to photos. You can save them to, you can export them to WhatsApp, or just use them without animation. You can add them to Instagram stories. Pretty cool app to generate this. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then there is video. So the idea was that this is kind of like a motion video. So you add movement, that you just kind of add movement to the photo. So that's basically the idea. And then it also creates another additional pack in here. I think the video, like, what do you think, guys? I mean, it's okay-ish. Like, so it adds motion. It doesn't distort the photo. It doesn't look pixelated. It looks kind of natural. So, you know, it adds some like lips movements. So pretty cool, right? So yeah, that's just what you have in here. And that's basically what it is. So again, I tried photo styles. That's the fastest. Image packs, it's not ready. It really takes like 10-15 minutes. Then I sticker packs and AI videos. You can see that AI video is also ready. So yeah, that's basically what it is. So now let's check when your media is ready for photos. So here how the photos will look like. This is what you can generate, for example, for like limousine photos. I guess the quality is quite good, guys. I think this one is quite good actually. So you can have it. Pretty cool. So here you can just have it like that. So yeah, quite nice. And you can then just save it all. You can save it to your device and have it there. So that's basically the idea in here. So that's what it is. And then again, you have all this trending. Pictures. When you wanna, you can choose selfie or a portrait. So you can then just basically take a selfie. And yeah, so that's what you have in here. I think it's really amazing, well done app. You have all of the main categories organized in here. And yeah, try it out, Hula app. It's in top charts right now. Unfortunately, there is no free option. There are no promo codes. You only need to upgrade, but it's definitely worth it. I think it's really worth $10 you need to spend. Also, it has a yearly subscription, which is quite cheap. I'm not aware of some deals where you don't upgrade the first screen and then you have 50% deal. I don't know. So yeah, but if you wanna another app in this category, but which has a free option, there is Video Max app. Yeah, it's called Video Max. So something like, so it's called like Video Max. So that's the app. This app has free option. You can use, for example, my referral code. So if you use my referral code, you will get 100 coins and you get in 50 coins on sign up. And this way you get one free generation for yourself. Unfortunately, Hula app doesn't have this kind of option in there. So that's where you have Video Max AI video generator. So that's what it is. Hula app, great. Video Max, maybe a bit worse, but it has a free option. So try it out.